Hey YouTube, today I'll be opening up this fake Pokemon cards. Yep, as you can see, it's Pokemon evolutions. Right? Oh, it looks legit. It got even have the Pokemon seal right here. But as you can see from you can see it's this booster box is red in color, which is unlike the real booster box, which is blue in color. So we got Vaporeon over here at the side, and Rattata, Mega Blastoise at the front, and behind. Well, the text is the same as the real booster box, but this booster box is kind of smaller than the real one. I wonder why. Right, without further ado, let's open it up. Okay, get all the wrapping off. Oh. Okay, this looks like a legit booster box, right? Okay. Okay, hold on. How can I? Oops. This doesn't read very easily. Okay, this do not read that easily. Okay, Pokemon evolutionaries. All right. I think. Okay, let me count the packs first. Then I'll continue. Whoa, this is awesome. The packs art looks really cool. 1, 2, 3. Oh, what? They are all upside down. Any way you can think is possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 packs. Wait, hold on, let me count again. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8. Oh, right, it's 18 packs. So I presume they have the same quantity as the booster packs. Okay. For this video, I think I would open up about 6 booster packs from here. So I'll take 6, 1, 2. Okay, I'll take all the different arts. 3, 4, and 5, 6. All right. This is a very cool video. Oh my god. Alright, so I'll put it back where it belongs. Okay, and let's get to it. 6 packs of fake Pokemon cards. Alright, let's open it. So first up, Venusaur on the front. Oh, they are fixed Pokemon cards. I wonder they put they have, oh, it really read easily. I wonder they put code cards in them because they say play online. I presume no. Oh, I think this is the foil card, so put it at the back. Okay, first up we got a Caterpie, a Clefairy. Oh my god, it looks really real, but when you turn behind, oh, this is an excellent card quality, but it feels different than a normal card. Okay, hold on, I'll take a normal evolution Pokemon card versus a fake card. So this is the fake one and this is the real one. Is there any difference? Well, as you can see, the back looks a bit different. This is a bit lighter than usual. Everything else looks fine. Looks legit. Wow. Good for you, fake Pokemon cards. Alright. Clefairy. A flying Pikachu. Wow, that's a secret rare. And the set number, oh, the set number still looks the same. A secret rare. 110 to out of 18. 108. Okay, a secret rare. We got a secret rare. Kakuna. Venusaur EX full art. Nice pull right there. Water energy and a trainer. So right off the first pack, we already have a secret rare and a full art card. Oh my god, this is awesome. Next up, Pokemon Dex and a potion. And we got a foil card. Oh my god. This foil pattern looks so cool. A Mewtwo EX. Okay. And the back is pretty light. But that's a nice foil right there. Why doesn't Pokemon do such a nice foil? This foil is pretty neat. You can see all the stars all here all over the places. Okay. So in one pack we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 cards inside. Okay. On to the second pack with Mega Charizard Y on the cover artwork. Okay. Alright, can we pull it? Okay, there's a foil. How do I go about it? Yep, like this. Alright, right off the bat we have a Pikachu EX full art. Oh my god, this looks awesome. What? This is Psychic Energy, Misty Determination, Pidgeot Spirit Link, a Caterpie, a Clefairy, another Flying Pikachu, our rare, Kahuna, and we got a Nidoran, just a normal card for our holo. Alright. Okay, for 6 the holo, I'll put it over here. Okay, because it's a holo card. Next pack. Oh, another Venusaur. Alright. Do you think what I see? Alright, we got a Surfing Pikachu holo. Oh my god, this looks so cool, but the borders are all offline. Okay. Let's do this. We got a Blastoise Spirit Link. Broad Grid full art. Oh my god. Fake Pokemon booster packs are really freaking cool. Megaton, Ninetales, Poliwrath, Sandshrew. We got 2 full arts in one pack. Oh my god. Okay. We got a Gardevoir EX and an Electric Energy. Okay. Wow, the mat is flooded with EX cards right now. Full art. Oh my god. Okay. For your entertainment, I will actually take out the packs and adjust all those rares, EX and all those good stuff behind, and I'll show it to you. Okay. So the Evolution Spray, Energy Retrieval, a Zapdos, Chansey, the Duo, Fire Energy, and we got a Surfing Pikachu, which is a non-holo, and we got Mega Charizard EX. Oh my god. We got so many Pikachus right now. Oh my god. Alright. Second last pack with a Raichu in front. Okay. We'll adjust the cards right here. And we got, okay, just adjust for a bit there. Okay, I've adjusted. Let's go. Electabuzz. We got a Hunter, Machamp, Charizard. Oh, actually, this kind of cards really looks really great. Huh? Although it's a fake card, but as you can see, the quality of the card is pretty really good. Okay, we got a Broad Grid, a normal one, a Charizard Spirit Link, Fairy Energy. We got a Golem EX. Next up, 2 EX in the pack. We got a Pidgeot EX as our foil card. Alright, as our holo card. Alright, last pack. Can we get 2 EX out of 1 pack? Can we get it? Oh my god, this is so exciting. Alright, let me adjust for you guys to see. Alright, oh, I hit the camera there. Let's adjust. Okay, last pack. We got a Ghastly, Coffin, Magikarp, Mew. Oh, there's a Mew there. Misty Determination, Pidgeot Spirit Link. We got a Psychic Energy. We got a Pikachu EX Full Art. This is our second Pikachu EX of the set. And we got a Marathon Hollow. Alright, this is pretty neat. 1, 2, 3 non-hollows. And 1 secret rare, 1 rare, and 1 what is this? A common card. Alright, pretty neat. And for EXs we have let's see. Okay, for EX we got a Mega Charizard EX, a Golem EX, a Pidgeot EX Hollow, and a Mewtwo EX Hollow. Alright, pretty neat. Next up, 2 Pikachus Full Art. This Pikachu looks really cool. Okay, although it's a fake one, but you can see the quality is very good. I'll keep them in my binder at least. Okay, we got the Gardevoir and a Venusaur Full Art. This Gardevoir looks pretty cool, but this Venusaur doesn't look that much nicer than this. This is pretty cool. Oh my god. And we got our Flying and Surfing Pikachu. 2 flying and 1 surfing. Alright. Thanks you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed my fake booster packs opening. And thank you guys for supporting me. And stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.